Well, hello there, YouTube, and I'm fixing to do a versus test between three vacuum cleaners, and I'm going to be starting with my Kirby Classic Omega, and I'm going to compare that to my mama's Kirby Generation 6. So let's get this video show on the road. Well, that worked pretty good. It actually worked better than I thought it would. But now for the Generation 6. I do not have high hopes for the Generation 6. The little compact mode handle. I do not have high hopes for this sweeper here. But I do not like this kind of vacuum because, well, the first thing is that it's very, very heavy, and the other thing is because it has drive and neutral. I do not like that mode, but let's fire this up, see how it does. Well, that worked better than I thought it would. I'm pretty sure that the Hoover is gonna kick both of these vacuums hind ends. But now time for the Hoover convertible. Hoover convertible, monster vac, I should call it. I would say that this Hoover is Godzilla in a vacuum form. And I need to get more crap to put on the carpet. So, brush some junk up onto the carpet. Alright, not enough. Still, that's not a good demonstration. But it can be done. Now, this one is a little lopsided like the Kirby Generation 6, but let's fire it up, see how it does. Yep, that works very good. Now, between the two Kirbys, well, that's pretty much a tie. And they both pick up the same. This one I didn't have high hopes for, but it worked. And that one, it's not really the best one. And this one fares no better. And they're both the same. They're both direct air, and they both, well, that one don't have drive and neutral. I really don't like the drive and neutral idea. It's a pain in the butt when you have to push it and you forget to put it in neutral when you're not on. And sometimes when it's turned on, it's and you forget to put it in drive, then that's just a pain in the butt. This one is again the winner. That one, I would say, come in third place. But there we have it. Kirby Classic Omega versus Kirby G6 versus Hoover Convertible. My Godzilla vacuum. But anyway, I'm not gonna roll that up all the way. I don't have enough film on this. Again, please leave more comments and subscribe, and also put a like. And I shall see you in a while. Bye.